Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Lenovo Ideapad 3 laptop. Now this is a 14-inch laptop with the AMD Ryzen 5 processor that you can get for around $416 US. Unfortunately, for me at least, the last 2 weeks or so, it was around $483 US. So there was a major drop. So if you're gonna get a laptop, I guess now would be a good time to go and get this. Now this is the 256GB version, and it is generally considered to be a good laptop and one of probably the best laptops you can get around this price range. I know many persons who are looking for laptops are considering either this or the Acer Aspire, so I'm actually looking forward to unboxing this and testing this out to see which one is better suited for you at this budget range. So without further ado, let's get straight into this unboxing. Now it has the usual seals. And not much to do. Oh, okay. Now if you watched my last video, you'd have seen that I prefer this type of material to be used when shipping the foam rather than the cardboard box, but I guess the cardboard box is more environmentally friendly, yeah, I guess. So let's see what else in the box. Don't mind me and the camera shakes. So we just have a little guide, let you know what is there. It's a setup guide. We have the power block, which is type that I don't like because it gets in the way of everything that you're charging, but I might do with it. And the charger is tiny, which means that this laptop is probably tiny too. And the warranty is in the box, and that's it. Nothing else. Okay, so let's take this off. Oh, and this laptop already feels sturdy but light, and it is pretty. This is quite pretty. You know, this is plastic, but it already feels good. I definitely would say this feels very good. Something to consider for sure. All right, let's see if we can open with one hand. And can open with one hand. And it says Lenovo service, thank you for purchase, you're going to love this, get 50% off the first service order. Okay, and it was being nice, usual stuff. And okay, see AMD Ryzen 5, AMD Radeon graphics, is the privacy shutter, Dolby audio, stylish design. Okay, this is cute, and the privacy shutter would prevent people from minding your business. This is good, a useful tip to put in. Now this is light, and I think this is a good way to start. It is light. The screen is looking good so far. All this is plastic. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic, which is important, and it looks really pretty, but at the same time not too eye-catching, so you can use it discreetly. So this is pretty good. The keys, I like the size, I like the feel of it, the placement, and there's not a number pad, but you don't need a number pad, especially at this size. Go to the bottom, you can see the vents. I can see the cooling pipe or the heat pipe. I can see one fan, and cool. So all right, this is it. Now, so it has 3 USB ports, one USB type 2.0 and 2 USB 3.0, the HDMI port, of course, the power connector, nothing in front, at the side we have a full-size SD slot, which is important. And of course we have the usual, I can't say usual because some laptops don't come with this, but we have the microphone and earphone port. You have the back, nothing on the back, no heat pipes, no vents. Now this should be relatively easy as well to get into and to change when you need to change, so I'm liking this laptop overall. Now let me just turn it on and to see whether you need to plug this in first or what. Okay, good. So my last video I thought that you had to turn it on before I thought that you had to, in my last video I thought that you actually had to plug in the charger port before it would work, and I turned out to be wrong in that last video. However, it seems that I am right in this video, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so let's just plug it in. Start charging right away, you can see that there. And now let's turn it on, and it has started. Now I won't put you through all this starting up and whatever. So I'm just going to come back and show you how it is. Well, we are back. Now I've had a chance to look at the screen. What I can say is that the color being shown on the camera is not what is how the screen looked. But what I can say clearly is that this screen is quite vibrant. It is quite bright, and I really like it. Without doubt, I really like it. Let's see how bright it can get. That's the brightest it can get. Let's see how low it can get. Wow. Well, that's turned up. That's darker than I've seen any other screen get. So this has a good battery. It's supposed to last about 7 hours or so, which is more than good enough for you to do whatever you need to do. Let's just do a quick check just to check the specs and ensure it is what they said it is. So okay, so you can see 202 of 257 gigabytes. All right, so that is there. And let's go to control panel. Good, as you can see, Lenovo. It is Windows 10, not the S mode, the full mode. So you don't have to do any uninstalling or changing over or whatever else. Just it comes as is. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 64-bit operating system, of course. No pen or touch input is available, and that's it. So you can get a seat like this. Now this laptop, I believe, is perfect in many ways. If you're gonna do simple work, if you want to just do some browsing or whatever else, I don't know if it'd be good enough for editing or whatever else. The screen might not be as accurate as you might think, but yeah, it's a really good computer, I can say that for sure. For the price, it is also a steal. So if you like this video, then please press like. It helps with the usual algorithm. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. And of course, if you have questions or comments, I'll do my best to answer them for you within a short period of time. Sometimes I don't see them because YouTube does not show me them. I have to go and search for them. So this is Asa, and I'll see you again in another video.